Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cuddle with me. You know how
Justin
I like
Bieber
it when
solved
you
the
loving on
magic
me.
cube.
I don't wanna die for them to miss me. Yes, I see the things that they wishing on me. Hope I got some brothers that outlive me.
Set. Go. Shit, dog. Got me fucked up. Shit. Can I do this? Man, 10 seconds. Don't tell me the time. Oh, you got me fucked up out here now. I'm under pressure right now. Oh. Dad joke was really bad. Shit. Time. Oh, turn up. It is complete.
That was pretty good. That was good.
Yeah, cool. Swag.
Oberwürfel lösen. Ich habe da keine Ahnung von, but Justin, you can solve this cube.
So. I hope so. You want me to try?
Let's try.
Okay.
Up to now. Yeah, looks okay.
Looks alright, right?
Is there a trick when you do it?
A little bit. Some mathematical algorithms.
Mit Algorithmen, ich habe keine Ahnung. Yeah. See the green side, the red side. I tried to do it a little bit harder when I switched the signs.
Did you?
Yeah.
I feel like you took off the stickers and re-put them back on.
I can get some red and blue color and we can paint it.
Alright. Well, you might...
Nelly. Yeah, he did it! Justin Bieber solved the magic cube.
2 minutes.
Okay, what do we got? Okay.
Almost.
Right.
Il va y arriver. Il va y arriver. Ah, je suis pas sûre.
Okay, boom.
1 minute left.
I know, right?
Yeah, you said 2 minutes.
All right,
You're good at it. Maybe you pretend to be good.
No, I got it. It just takes a minute.
Yeah.
It's fine.
That's the whole problem with
it's
the
fine.
Rubik's cube.
It's fine.
He was stiff.
That's it.
It was real stiff. Whoa.
Whoa, we've got something
That's good
out. Man.
Almost.
Well, you know, you took the run for real. I had to learn for real.
One of those is.